Greetings out there. Listen, I'm gonna get right to the chase. I am looking for my 7 people. Who are you? My 7 people that I want to get busy started with over these next 3 months. Okay? So as we're entering in the last third of 2024, we want to sow a seed of dedication and commitment over these next 3 months, September, October, and November. I'll be working with you to work on those goals, whether it be ministry development, business development, book publishing, or your own professional development. So we will sow the seed in the next 3 months, September, October, November, put our feet to the ground, hands to the soil, and we will work together. Sow the seed so that we don't go into 2025 getting started, but hit the ground running and reaping the fruit of what we're sowing now. So who are my 7? Make sure you get signed up. Join me for the 3-month challenge. We'll let the month of December be a month in which we just, take care of any little edges that need to be trimmed. But other than that, September, October, November, we want to get started, sow that seed, work, and let's see you flourish, okay?